Welcome to Nari Saki, and today let's make fasting special potato sabji. It's very tasty and easy to make. Here I have a grated potato and I've put it in water so it doesn't get brown and all that starch comes out. You can also use a sweet potato or potato. Sweet potato is more healthier version. It's a little bit on the sweeter side. So take some ghee, butter, or you can take oil. Add some cumin seeds, chopped green chilies, and now we are going to add grated potato and just saute it for a few minutes until the potato takes in all that butter and the green chili flavor, and it's easier to cook also. When you saute it, it will cook faster. Add some salt. You can use the senda namak, which is the fasting salt which we usually use in India. So now I'm going to cover and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes and keep the gas on medium. Check in between because it can get stuck. So now this is almost done, because since the potatoes are shredded, grated, it doesn't take much time. So I'm going to saute it again a little bit, and the potatoes are cooked very well. So now to this we are going to add crushed peanuts. Crushed peanuts really taste good in this, and fresh coconut, and it's really optional to add coconut. If you like coconut, you can add it. So mix it well, and if you're using sweet potato will cook a little bit faster, so you have to really check in between. Otherwise it takes about 6 to 7 minutes to steam it and to saute it. So now I'm going to steam it for another 1 to 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook it. If you overcook it, then it becomes very sticky, so don't overcook it. So now this is almost done, and you can add chopped cilantro, optional, and serve this. Do try this, and please subscribe Nari Saki for more videos. Thank you.